TV schedule for all of you. I'm going to introduce you to Nanette Alejandro, is our shaky space of the game. She works in an airline. Wouldn't you like to be on a flight together with this young lady who has a radiant smile for all of you? She does play volleyball, she says, but the more important thing is that she is going to have a box of pizza which she can share with her friends, Shakies, of course.
Are we your friends?
No.
Baka pwede i-share sa atin.
Think so. Oo nga.
O si Barry na lang bibili sa atin ng pizza.
O, ito daw pumili ng pizza, Barry Pasco. Oh. Hindi ko makonvince ang Shakies, bigyan ako ng isa. Ito na lang. Okay, Pao Soriana darts out because of the libero play. Ball game at 15 against 16. We've got Henson serving. This is Dana Henson. Who was our best player when they played against University of San Carlos. Bautista is foiled. It's kept in the air by the reach of Tikar. Here we go with Pineda. Down it goes. Wow, matipid ngayon sa hairpin si Pineda. Hindi ganun karami, no?
Naubos siguro.
Oh, may nang hiram sa loob ng locker room. Axel is our official outfit here for the Shakies V-League.
And you hear the fans also cheering for Pineda.
They have their favorites, ano, ha?
Oo.
Here we go with Angela Benting into that spot. You know, Benting, when she loads up, you know it's a disaster coming. So you might as well do something. Watch this.
The wind up, look at that. Yung pull and yung approach.
At saka walang hesitation.
Oh.
Ang mahirap kay Angela is that she will not do soft stuff. She hates it. She rarely digs it over. Nice reach by Makaturo. But could get it to it.
She does it if she needs to. But you know that her first option
Tapalo.
always goes. She always goes for the power hits.
Baka siguro na nag-umpisa siya kay Mami Dulce, sinisigawan siya, "Ipalo mo! Ipalo mo!" Diba?
Ganun talaga.
Alam mo, pag si Mami Dulce, talaga papalo mo. Angela tried to dig it over. Double touch by Angela.
This is a much better set being played here by Arellano.
In fact, they had several tastes of the lead as much as two, but have not been able to pull away. Benting. That is outside. We're tied at 18. Sagon all set to serve. Elaine serve sails out. Boy, they don't need those errors right now as they're trying to equalize the number of sets. We've got Cortel returning to the ballgame. Second appearance for Marlene Cortel, pulling out Pat in the Adamson lineup. Puso na talaga yung meron kang service specialist.
Well, of course, it serves dalawang purpose niyan, ano? Apart from getting a good serve, kailangan mo rin ng matibay na depensa.
Defensive ploy as well. Ooh, Nene just nailed it.
How can you defend that? It was ang bilis, ano?
Saka yung angle ng spike, kita mo sinukat niya paharap ng libero. Hindi palampas eh.
You know what? The reason why the attacks of Nene Bautista, it's difficult to receive or to dig. Nakita mo yung angle, kinukuha talaga niya from the top.
Yes, which is always hard. Sa atake ng sundalo, it's hard when you're shooting from, pagkalaban mo nagsushoot from a top position, tapos babariling ka, nasa baba ka, wala kung ano mangyayari siya. Pisa is in for the first time, pulling out Guevara. This is Maria Teresa Pisa. Part of the regular UAAP lineup of Adamson. You have to understand the lineups here are fundamentally the UAAP rosters who use the collegiate eligibility actually of the previous season for this season. Really, that's why we have guest players. 21-19. Suddenly Adamson is in front. Let's listen to Arellano.
MJ's
Lolo, kinikwentuhan ko si Ann dito ng basketball tungkol kay Natawa ka kay Carlos Loizaga na hindi mo naman inabutan. Pero inabutan mo na sila, Chito Loizaga, Joel. Volleyball player lang. Hindi nagba-basketball kasi. But this is a book you should get if you're a sports lover. Of course, you can get this at the San Beda Alumni Office. Something every sports fan should get. In the meantime, back to volleyball. 21-19. You don't want to fall behind by 2 sets against Adamson.
Makatuno, you mentioned earlier, no? He mastered the art also of getting that point from the net.
Kinayod ng Adamson dahan-dahan ito. 22-19. Pisa will serve. To come and collected ito lagi. Ging got it.
Of course, when you need a point, why not go to the veterans?
Go to the bank. Withdraw.
Oo. Withdraw ng isa. Let's see if they can hang on to this set.
Nice set. It's a nice set. You can see from the set, it's going to go well.
Excellent timing.
Si Makatuno, ang ganda ng humility niya. Na, parang alam niya yung mga kampi niya. Ito gusto nito ganito. Ito gusto nito ganyan.
Mahirap yan, tama kayo, no? Sa isang play, be it be quick or normal open set, yung height niyan sa same play, iba-iba nga sa bawat isang player na nakakalaro mo. So the adjustment, of course, will have to come from the setter.
Look at Makatuno. She looked at Soriano, checked her ID, and found out what kind of talk she wanted. Henson. Blocked!
One of the few times also that you see Pao Soriano with a little bit of
some
reaction.
emotion. Yeah, there's a smile for you. Take that, Sam Sarmenta. I can smile. 24-20 as Arellano tries to ice Adam Talir.
Pawin lang natin kasi. Nagre-relax tayo. Ikaw, yun lang. Alam mo na yung pa-check mo yung ginagawa na malaban eh. Siyempre, tumalasang lang ako. Ako kunin ko. Wala. Hindi yung kinukuha. Ikrapal yung dalawang side. Kilos kayo. Hindi ko kikilos eh.
This second set looking more and more like it's going Adamson's way. More changes being made. Alquino comes in for Makatuno.
I think siya yung humiram ng clips ni Bak.
Oh, ang dami, oh. Solim yan after the game. Because nung UAAP season, pinapanood ko kayo, dami namang clip ditong babaeng to.
Oo.
Meantime, that sails outside. Arellano stays afloat. Makatuno back in quickly. Nag-rotate lang, pinaikot lang. T-card to serve. Andiyan ka? Parang tinanong pa, andiyan ka?
Ito na.
Sige na, tapusin natin itong second set. Kakain pa tayo ng Shakey's mamaya. Wow, Adamson recovering in time to pull that from under Arellano. And now it's a 2-set to love lead by the Lady Falcons. We'll be back with more just after that shaky play after this.